Hello and welcome back to your DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Stremio on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. Now we're going to head over to Apps drawer on the top bar. Just click on that and come down to search for all apps. So as you can see, there are a lot of recommended apps here already. If the app you're looking for is on this list, then you're good to go already. But for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download and install Stremio on Chromecast. So click on search apps and games. I'm just going to click on the keyboard and search for Stremio. So I see it on the suggestions bar above. I clicked on Stremio and I'm searching for that app. Now give this a second, and this is the embedded Play Store right here on Chromecast. So Chromecast is an embedded Play Store app. It's embedded in the system and all these apps are legitimate, they are valid. Just click on the app, like I'm clicking on Stremio right there, and you find this install button. So after you click on the install button, it's going to bend, and as you see, Chromecast has taken over the download. So this will download completely, and after the download is complete, it's going to install Stremio onto Chromecast. So give this a second. This is going to complete the download, and you find that the installation process is automatic. So you don't need to click on any other button. You do not need to enable any other function. With the embedded Play Store, all you need to do is click on install. Another app is going to be downloaded and installed on Chromecast. So I'm giving this a second. Immediately it's done downloading. I expect to see it install automatically, and then I'll have access to the application. So as you see, the download is complete. All I need to do now is hang on tight for this installation process to complete, and I'll find an open button right here on screen where I can launch the application directly. Alternatively, I will head back to my app drawer where we opened up the search bar. I could just head back there and open this app. Stremio will be added to my app drawer, and from there I can enjoy the Stremio application. So that's it for this video. If this was insightful, if it was useful, all I want you to do is subscribe to the channel. I post frequent content teaching you how to make your life easier, navigating with a lot of tips and tricks, having the best experience with tech. So just subscribe to the channel, like the video if it was useful to you, and I'll see you in the next one. This is DaveTech signing out. Peace.